Hello everyone, welcome to MK Graphics Learn and Create channel. Today's tutorial is all about adding a creative touch to your designs. I will guide you through the process of creating a type-shaped image frame in Adobe Illustrator. It's perfect for projects like travel poster. You can create magazine ads or banners. Today I am going to create a greeting card, or as a bonus, I am going to show you how to design a beautiful greeting card in Illustrator. So let's get started. So how I create this text frame effect? So I'm going to use this in a greeting card. So first I create a new file and I set the measurements in inches. Since I am creating a 6 by 8 inch folded greeting card, I'll mention double the width, which is 12 by 8 inches. Now press the command R on Mac, Ctrl plus R on Windows to show rulers. Now my rulers are here. I drag the guideline to 6 inches. Now you can see your basic greeting card layout is complete. The right side represents the front of the greeting card and all my design goes there, while the left side is the folded back, the back side of the card. Now let's create the type and type shape picture frame. Start by making a rectangle and I will fill it with a background color. Next, type your word using your desired font, like I'm using here cursive font, and increase the size. Now convert this text to outlines by either selecting the text, right click and choosing create outlines, or go to type and select create outlines. If you notice any issues with the text kerning such as extra space, double click, use the direct selection tool to select the individual letters and adjust as needed. As I am showing over here, I select the letter L and then move it to the right. Similarly, I select E and move it to the left until I achieve the desired spacing. Lastly, I press the Shift key and extended this type to the edge of the page. Let's drag this to the bottom. Now press the Shift key and select both the text and the background. Click on the Shape Builder tool and then click on the above color. As I want the picture above, so I select the above color. Also select the shapes and spaces between the letters. Now choose the above area and change its color. Like I am choosing here blue color, including the shapes between the text. Next, we need to create a compound path or shape that includes the shapes filled with the blue color. So I select the one blue color shape, then go to select, same, and then fill color. It will select all the shapes that are in blue color. So easy, right? Now move to the layer panel and create a new layer and shift all these shapes to the next layer. they are already selected. So just drag and move to the next layer. This way it will easy to see that all the blue shapes are in separate layer, and after that we can create a compound path. Next, convert all these blue shapes into the compound path. So for that, go to Object, Compound Path, Make. Next, we will place our beautiful image. So place your image by going to File, Place, and then extended it by pressing the Shift key so that it overlaps and set it in the middle of the frame. To see exactly it fits middle of the frame, I reduce the opacity and check it fits perfect, and then increase the opacity. Next, send it behind the compound shape. For that, right click, arrange, send to back. Select the both shape and the image, right click and make a clipping mask. Alternatively, go to the object, clipping mask, and make. And next, I'll change the color of the text to white. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful and if you have gained value from it, please consider subscribing. This way you won't miss any weekly tutorials and free design templates for better designing. And if you want any specific software design tips or tutorials, please mention it in the comment section. I would definitely try to include it in my next video. Till then, happy designing!